Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, kindly subscribe. And if you're returning subscriber, tunawapenda sana. Thank you so much, guys, for subscribing in this channel, for making this channel a safe place for you guys. So today, I wanna be shedding a light on Diamond Platinum, who has been absent kwa mitandao for a long time. Today, her mother showed us his beautiful home together with her daughter Tifa Dangote as they enjoy a picnic site home. So guys, thank you so much for always being there to subscribe to my channel. Na kama hauja like wewe, make sure you are liking to this video for more and more trends. Bye bye. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, kindly subscribe, and if you're returning subscriber, tunawapenda sana. Sa karibu leo tunawaelekeza kule TZ ambapo tunakutana na mama Dangote, mama Diamond Platinum na wajukuu wake. Today she gave them a picnic home.